If CapCut is showing a network error, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple troubleshooting steps to get CapCut working again on your desktop. We'll clear the app cache, make sure CapCut is fully updated, and then check whether the problem is actually on CapCut's servers and not on your device. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more app fixes, and let's jump right in. First, let's start with the most common fix, clearing the CapCut cache. Open CapCut on your desktop and look for the settings option in the top right corner. It usually looks like a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, go to the drafts tab. Inside this section, you should see the cache size listed. Next to the cache size, there will be a trash icon. Click that trash icon to clear the cache. This step is important because cached files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which may trigger network errors and stop CapCut from loading properly. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to refresh, then check to see if the error is gone. If the network error is still showing, the next step is to update the app. Using an older version of CapCut can sometimes cause connection issues, especially if the app is no longer syncing properly with its services. In the desktop app, look at the top right corner again and find the update icon. If an update is available, click it and let CapCut install the latest version. Make sure you wait for the update process to fully complete before reopening the app. Once the update finishes, restart CapCut and test it again. A lot of times, simply installing the newest version fixes bugs, improves stability, and removes strange network-related problems. Now, if you've cleared the cache and updated the app, but CapCut still says network error, the issue may not be on your side at all. The next thing you should do is check CapCut's server status. Open your browser and search for "Is CapCut down?" Then open the Downdetector result. Downdetector can show you whether other users are reporting outages at the same time. If there's a spike in reports, that usually means the problem is with CapCut servers, and all you can do is wait until the service comes back online. If the server is down, there may be nothing wrong with your device, internet connection, or app settings. This is why checking server status is such an important step before trying more advanced fixes. To recap, the fastest way to fix CapCut network error is to clear the cache, update the app, and check whether CapCut is experiencing a server outage. These 3 steps solve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of time troubleshooting. If none of these methods work, you may want to try restarting your computer or checking your internet connection as a next step. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get CapCut running normally again. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another CapCut issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.